Have you ever sneezed so hard it surprised even you? I'm Manyata, and today, we're diving nose first into the mystery. Why do we sneeze? A sneeze is your nose's way of saying, hey, something doesn't belong here. When something like dust, pepper, or even a tiny germ gets in, your nose gets irritated. Your brain gets the signal and shouts, time to sneeze. Boom! Air blasts out of your nose and mouth at nearly 100 miles per hour. It blasts out bad stuff like dust, germs, and pollen before they can go deeper into your body. So next time you sneeze, say thank you, nose. You're just doing your job. Stay curious, stay healthy. Like and subscribe to Curious Manyata channel.